sorry, girl, I gotta go. Yeah, you know this ain't the old me. Try to keep it on the low.
What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this HeimVision HD Smart Wi-Fi camera, model number HM202. Now this smart camera comes with the fantastic features like a full HD recording at 1080p, cloud recording and much more. Now here are some of the key features, starting with the advanced night vision mode, two-way communication of audio, intelligent tracking, intelligent motion and sound detection, support micro SD card and cloud services, and you can place up to 128GB of micro SD card. It also supports the AP hotspot connection, and you can also watch the footage over internet browser. Link would be available for that in the video description. Now for the camera specification, image resolution is 1080p with the micro SD card storage up to 128GB, with a lens of 3.6 mm at 180-degree wide angle. Now camera can pan up till 355-degree and tilt of 95-degree, which will almost give you 360-degree wide angle itself. Digital zoom of 4x, which I'm not really much of bothered about, with infrared distance of 15 meter. That is fantastic. In terms of connectivity, camera supports 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi. An app to access the camera is available from Google Play Store as well as from Apple Store. Now first, let's have a look what comes with this camera. Camera comes with a multi-language supporting quick startup guide, couple of literature from manufacturer, one standard micro USB cable with power adapter. Now camera also comes with the base tray, which will help you to mount this camera on the ceiling, as well as a reset pin and couple of screws. Now in last but not least, we have camera. Now in the front of camera you have a manufacturer logo. Now the whole camera swivels around 355-degree and a tilt of 95-degree. Now in front of camera you have a camera lens obviously, and the infrared sensor on the top, microphone right next to it as well. Now you got a speaker on the back which is for the two-way communication, and the Wi-Fi aerial along with it. Now just under the base of Wi-Fi area you have a micro USB port for the charging, I would say the power of this Wi-Fi camera. On top of the camera lens you have a micro SD card slot which supports up to 128GB of micro SD card, as well as a factory reset pin. Now on the base of camera you have a tab for mounting the base tray, which will help you to mount this camera on a wall as well as the ceiling if you want to. Now configuring this smart camera with your mobile phone or with the web browser is very easy and straightforward. The first thing you need to do is install an app on your mobile phone and create an account. Let's go through that process first. The first thing you need is an app which can be downloaded from Google Play Store as well as from iOS. Click onto the search tab in your Google Play Store and search for the YCC 365 Plus app. Now once you find the app, and click onto the install button. Now once this app is successfully installed, open it up. Now if you do not have account with the YCC 365 app, click onto the sign up. Enter all the information what app is asking you. Once you've done it, it's easy and good to go. Now I already have an account with them, so I'm going to enter my all credentials in here and log in. Now once you log into the application first time, it will ask you for agreeing with it and go through the app with you, that where and what you're going to find. Now let's power up the smart camera to configure with the app.
Please configure your camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
On every power, camera will go through the routine check, and you also get to hear what method you need to use to add this camera within the app too. Click onto the plus button here and click intelligent camera. Now we have two methods to add this camera into the app. The first one is a device by adding and scanning the QR code, And the second one, which is very popular, is the AP hotspot. The one which I'm going to show you is the AP hotspot. Now click on it. Here, follow all the instructions which are available on your app. Okay, click next. Okay, go to the settings. Now within your Wi-Fi, you should be able to locate a Wi-Fi for this camera, which in my case is a cloud cam. Click on it. Now once it is connected with it, go back to the app, click next. Now app will scan all the Wi-Fi networks available within your range and ask you to select one of the Wi-Fi. Camera only supports 2.4 gigahertz. Select the one which you're going to use to connect this camera with the internet. I'm going to select one and type in the password. Once you configured it, you're going to hear the notifications as well on the camera itself.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait for internet connecting. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Now to finish the configuration process, give a name to your camera. I'm going to call it living room at this moment of time and click start to the experience. Now just before we go ahead and look into the recorded footage of this camera, let's go have a quick look within the app itself. Now on the home screen of your app, you're going to see the camera you're going to add. You can add multiple cameras in here and all will be available in the home screen. Now this camera you would like to access, simply click on it. Now down below in the bottom base, you can see the options like a message and HD and SD quality option, as well as a microphone and a speaker turn on and off button. You also have a button for the more, which will let you do the recording and also create an album on the cloud. Now on the home screen, you also got an option for the gimbal, where you can move this camera wherever you want, as you can see that. Okay, now if you'd like to turn on the tracking, which is working in the background, which is very easy to do that by clicking onto the system cog button on the top. Now within the system setting, you can just see quite a lot of information about this camera and you can change it as well. Now right in here, you can see the option for the device microphone. If you'd like to turn off the microphone of this camera, you can also turn on alarm tone as well. Option for the night vision, when you go in there, you can turn on all the time, which will be vision will be black and white all the time, guys. Or you can set it to automatic. When the lights go off, you're going to see the black and white vision. Then you have got an image roll over 180 degree. So let's suppose if you're mounting this camera to the ceiling, you need to make sure that you do the rotation so you can see the image properly. Then you have intelligent tracking, which is working at this moment of time. As you can see that the camera is jumping up and down, trying to track me actually, guys. That's what it's trying to do. You can turn off if you don't like that feature. Simple is that, by press of a button. Now there's so much more within this camera available in here. For the notification, you have a motion detection as well as the sound detection option. Then you can push them on your mobile phone, or if you want, send an email too. Then down below here, you got a storage option. Now I have also installed the SD card in this camera, which I can access by going in here. It will tell you how much memory is available within it as well. The camera supports up till 128 gigabytes, and you can format your SD card from here as well by click of a button. You can also have a selection that how you would like to use the recording on the SD card: event recording or all day recording or no recording whatsoever. I have selected on event. In case of any event, just make a recording on the SD card rather than on the cloud. Now first I was running app in portrait mode, now it's in landscape. As you can see that by scrolling on the app itself, you can scroll on the camera as well. That's not bad at all. You can also do a zoom as well, which is a digital zoom. So guys, now you have seen it all, the performance of this camera as well as the app which comes with it. Everything seems to be right in place and it's working great as well. You can also get to see the recording on your SD card. That is fantastic feature. which you less likely see in most of the camera, even on the expensive range too. Now, if you would ask me that will I recommend this camera to you guys, I would highly recommend this camera to every one of you. Main reasons is it's a very competitive price. It's got intelligent motion tracking as well, which will make it ideal to keep an eye on your pets as well as the elders too. That's not bad. So on that note, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Now, if you'd like to purchase this camera, link for that is available in the video description. And if you have any reservation about this camera in terms of its working, if you a thing which you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section below. Now, you can also do me a favor by telling me that how this video was it informative or just dragged through. So that will be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.